Hello everyone. In the last video, we discussed how does Google ad work. The most important thing that we learned was that your ad will be triggered against a keyword that people are searching in the Google. It simply means that first of all, advertisers should make a list of the keywords relevant to their ads and the product in the Google ads. We will discuss that where to place these keywords during the process of campaign designing. But before that, it is very important to understand that what are various types of keyword match from the Google ad perspective. We all know what is a keyword. In Google ads, it means those words or phrases either people are using to search for information or present in various web pages, and an ad will be triggered against these keywords. To optimize the keyword selection, we have to understand different Google ad match. Match means in which way Google should match the keywords types in search engines and the keywords submitted by the advertisers. You will understand it better with the help of examples. Actually, there are 5 types of match, and these are broad match modifier, phrase match, exact match, and negative match. Let us explain them one by one. Broad match. Broad match is the default match and it allows you to reach to the widest audience. It's that simple and broad. If the audience is searching for any word of your phrase or couple of words, your ad is eligible to be part of the auction process. It also allows misspellings and synonyms to trigger your ad to appear. For example, if your selected keyword is digital marketing courses in Chandigarh, then even if someone is searching for digital marketing course or digital marketing course in Mumbai, your ad will be triggered as the search has these 3 words of your keyword. It is evident that broad match will increase the ad frequency and clicks, but you will experience untargeted traffic to your website as well. So, it may eventually reduce the return on investment. Here is the checklist of broad match. Here we are not using any symbol to denote the broad match at the time of keyword selection. It allows misspellings, synonyms, related searches, and other relevant variations. For the keyword women's hat, an ad will be shown if someone searches for buy ladies hat. Next we have the broad match modifier. Broad match modifiers gives you more control to the advertisers to tell the Google that their ad should be only shown if these words are included in the query, no matters in which order and where in the search query. For example, in case of broad match, my set keyword is buy women's hat. There is possibility that ad will be triggered if someone searches for buy men's hat because 2 words in the search query are from your set keyword. But if I use broad match modifier by using the plus sign before the word women, like buy plus women's hat, then this is the indication to the Google that trigger my ad only if the word women is included in the search query. In this case, if someone searches for buy men's hat, my ad will not be triggered. So it is very clear, to narrow down your audience to bring the quality traffic to the website, broad match modifier is quite useful. And here is the checklist of broad match modifier. In this case, we have to use the plus sign before the word you want. It must be present in the search query before your ad is triggered. Your ad will be shown that contains the modified term or close variation but not the synonym in any order. For example, we have added plus sign before women and before hats. An ad will be shown if someone searches for hats for women. Next we have phrase match. Phrase match is another one of the popular match of advertisers. It allows the advertiser to have more control and balance over the reach. In this case, an ad will only appear when user searches for your exact keyword phrase in its exact order, but maybe with some additional words at the beginning and at the end of the query. Look at this example. If you set the keyword women's hat in quotes to make it phrase match, your ad will be triggered if someone searches for red women's hat for weddings, but not for women's blue hat or hats for women, as the exact phrase is missing in these cases. The checklist for phrase match is: if you want to make any word or couple of words as a phrase match, then you have to put all these words in quotes. Your ad will be shown for the phrase or the close variant of that phrase. For example, ad will be shown for women's hat as your phrase is present in the search query in the same order. Next, we have exact match. In case of exact match, as the name suggests, your ad will be triggered only if someone is searching for the exact phrase in the same order, not anything else before or after the phrase. It's very restrictive in the targeting of the audience. In this case, you can use the square bracket as a symbol to make any keyword as the exact match. Ad may be shown for the searches that are exact terms and close variant of that. In this example, if someone searches for women's hat only, then ad will be shown. If someone adds few words before or after the exact match, the ad will not be shown in this case. By keeping in mind that advertisers are losing opportunity if search includes misspellings and abbreviating variations of the designated exact keywords, Google may allow an ad to be triggered with small variants to the search queries. This is called close variant matching. Lastly, we have negative match. It's simple. Sometimes we want that our ad should not be triggered if certain words are included in the search query. It will help you to precisely target your audience and avoid unnecessary clicks on your ads. For example, if Apple is interested, if someone is looking for free phone, then ad should not be visible. They can achieve it by making a free as a negative word, just by putting the minus sign before it. Further, there are three types of negative keywords: negative broad match, negative phrase match, and negative exact match. If you have understood the meaning of broad match, phrase match, and exact match, then there will not be any problem to understand these types. Let me explain. Negative broad match. Negative broad match is default setting that stops your ad from showing if all the negative keywords are searched, regardless of the order. For example, if the negative keyword is free course, my ad will not be visible if someone searches for digital marketing course for free, as it includes the word free and course. Negative phrase match. Negative phrase match stops your ads from showing if the search includes your exact keywords. In this case, order matters. For example, if the negative keyword is free course, my ad will be visible if someone searches for digital marketing course for free, but it will not be visible if someone searches for free course on digital marketing. Negative exact match. Negative exact match prevents your ads from showing if the search query is exactly your negative keyword. This means your ad will be shown if extra words or phrases are added either before or after the keyword. For example, if the negative keyword is free course, my ad will not be visible if someone searches for free courses, but it will be visible if someone searches for free course on digital marketing. Congratulations, you have learned the very basic but the most important aspects of Google Ads. You must be wondering from where to find the keywords and how to place these keywords in the Google AdWord campaigns. Don't worry, I will teach you every step of finding and adding the keywords in the campaign process once we will start with the practical aspects of Google Ads. And soon we are going to start with that. Just join me in the next module.